Back in late April, I ordered straps from cheapestnatostraps.com. 4 months later, it finally arrived. Welcome to the Steve Dan channel. If you're new here, I make short watch demo videos, reviews, and quick watch tutorials. If you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button. I don't normally order from outside the country because of the long waiting time, especially with the COVID situation. However, I saw the Instagram post of Cheapest NATO Straps saying that their sales have declined because of the pandemic, and so they held a big sale to be able to sell off a huge part of their inventory. To support, I ordered a couple of straps. On top of each item being on sale, there was also an additional 20% off if I reached a certain amount. And here they all are. First off, we have the Deluxe Seatbelt NATO in 18mm. This Deluxe is a step up from the cheap ones I've previously bought. This one feels softer and doesn't chafe the skin around my wrist after wearing it all day. The polished hardware is also thicker versus the cheaper ones. A lot of my watches have a lug width of 18mm, but I bought this one to wear with my Seagull 1963. I got a second one in gray, but in 22mm. I decided to go for another gray because I think it's the most versatile color, even more versatile than the harsh black. I'm thinking of it as the NATO strap version of the little black dress. Everyone should have one. Up next is this James Bond NATO, which I bought for someone else. But I'm very tempted to keep this one because I did not expect it to look this good. This Sharktooth Navy strap was the best one out of the bunch. It has a zigzag pattern and it feels really silky smooth on my wrist. The brushed hardware makes it look more expensive compared to the ones with polished hardware. The only downside is that it seems like it's a bit too short. I only have one watch with a 22mm lug width, which is this Corju Flieger. This watch is just begging to be dressed up. All of the straps look so good with it. Let me know which one you think is the best. Moving on next to this premium classic brown in 21mm. It's made with full grain calf leather. It's tough finding odd number straps, so I was so happy to find this one. It has polished stainless steel hardware, and it also has quick release spring bars. To me, this is the minimum acceptable quality for leather straps. I can't say much yet about how long it will last, but it looks promising. For the price, I recommend getting this premium one. I originally bought this for my Orient Bambino. I think it really goes well with this blue dial. For now though, I'm not looking to remove it from the bracelet. My Corum also has a 21mm lug width, but I don't think it goes that well with brown straps. Finally, we have this classic dark brown strap in 16mm. It also has polished stainless steel hardware and quick release spring bars. It doesn't say on the website what kind of calf leather it is, but I don't think it's real full grain or top grain leather. It might be bonded leather or split type leather, I don't know. I bought this originally for this Oris, but I got the wrong size, so I'll have to save this one for someone else. Comparing the classic one versus the premium one, I recommend paying for the premium. The difference in quality is very much worth the price difference. The premium one is more supple when you try to bend it. Based on my experience with leather bags, if the classic one is made with bonded leather, it will eventually show the deterioration by cracking, while the premium one with full grain leather will age better. Also, I can imagine the light-colored underside of the classic one will be absorbing sweat and looking dirty really quick. If you have experiences with straps made with bonded leather, let me know your story in the comment section below. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Till next time, and bye for now!